Welcome to the Adventures of Lucy Faye. Today is craft day. We're going to be doing a bead kit. Mommy, will you open this for me? Okay, that's kind of a little bit crazy. Thank you. Now where's that dolphin? There you are. Now what?
First, put the beads onto the pegs.
Okay.
And you can do any color you want.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Ooh, this is gonna look cute. It's almost like a dolphin. Needs scales because it doesn't have any eyes or anything, and I'm gonna do surgery and make it look better. Oh, I'm so excited. We're so close. Just a couple more. One more. Give me more. Come on. One more. I just got that all finished and I just knocked it off. Mommy, will you help me? Phew, I got it fixed. Now we're gonna iron these on. Kids, don't try this at home. Get your parents.
And so she's ironing. Adults are very good at ironing. She's doing great. It's almost done, folks. The ironing is almost done. Look at that. Ironing in action. She has been the ironer queen. Look at that, folks. I think it's done too.
It looks just like a rainbow dolphin. You can put this on a magnet. You can put this on the fridge. You can put this on a backpack. Thanks for watching. See you next time. #love it.